June is National Pollinator Month, and there are so many selections for you to bring to your garden to help attract pollinators. First place I'd love to start with are salvias. We have this gorgeous black and bloom. The hummingbirds and butterflies and bees just love salvias. We have here this rockin' fuchsia, and then we have the Roman red salvia. Now these are just profuse bloomers all summer long. They are perennials, so they'll come back year after year, and if you're looking for some height, go with salvia. If you want to attract hummingbirds, you can never go wrong with plants in the Kufia family. So we have here firecracker plant. This is vermillionaire variety. The hummingbirds just love it. And then one of my absolute favorites is the bat-faced Kufia. It is just so adorable. The flowers actually look like a little bat face. And this one I just love. This is called Pugster. This is the amethyst color. Look at the blooms, just how many tiny little flowers that the butterflies just love. And then we can't forget our milkweeds. Milkweeds always attract butterflies. Here we have this white swamp milkweed. Look how beautiful and delicate those flowers are. And these are natives. We want to encourage natives. Don't forget our pentas, and then we have our Mexican heather here. Always perfect for our pollinators. So let's help support our pollinators this month. They help pollinate all of our fruits and vegetables. So let's support them by planting pollinator-friendly plants in our garden. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.